my dear friends. My name is Devansh. Today I am going to recite Ramashtakam. It gives us prosperity and good luck. Now I will start the recitation. Bhaje Vishesha Sundaram Samast Papa Khandanam Swabhakta Chitta Ranjanam Sadaiva Rama Madhyam Jatakalapa Shobhitam Samast Papa Nashakam Swabhakta Bhiti Bhanjanam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Nijaswarupa Bodhakam Krupakaram Bhavakam Samam Shivam Niranjanam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Saha Prapancha Kalpitam Yanamarupa Vastavam Nirakrutim Niramayam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Nishprapancha Nirvikalpa Nirmalam Niramayam Chidekarupa Santatam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Bhavabdipota Rupakam Yashesha Deha Kalpitam Gunakaram Krupakaram Bhaje Rama Madhyam Mahavakya Bodhakai Virajamana Vakadhe Parabrahma Vyapakam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Shivpradam Sukpradam Bhavachiddam Pramapaham Virajamana Deshikam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Bhaje Rama Madhyam Ramashtakam Sampurna. Thank you.